Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to London Luton. The local time is 10 minutes past 7. For your continued comfort, more importantly your safety, please continue to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the signs in the panel above you have been switched off. In a few moments' time we'll arrive at our parking stand. As and when we do this, you will see the cabin crew leave their seats to perform safety-related duties. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft will still be moving. Seatbelt signs will still be on, therefore it is not safe for you to leave your seats. You must remain seated, as just mentioned, till the fast seatbelt signs in the panel above you have been switched off. When leaving us today, please remember to take all your personal belongings and children with you, checking the seat pockets underneath the seats and your surrounding floor areas. Take care when you open the overhead lockers, as your items may have moved in flight and they could now fall out. All devices for messaging calls or internet access may now be used, however smoking is still not permitted until you've reached a designated smoking area. On behalf of the captain, the first officer and your entire onboard crew, it's been a pleasure having you on board this evening's service. Do hope to see you on another EasyJet flight in the very near future, and we wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destinations. Once again, thank you and good evening.